Hey guys, welcome back. So there is one more concept called as cross table. So what does this cross table actually do? So cross table helps you to segregate your data. So let's say I have some inline script here saying that there is a salesman year and these are the list of the years. Okay, so I want to create a new data called as salesman year, and all these data should come into, let's say, month, and relevantly all these numbers which belongs to those specific months should come into the sale column. So these two column are not available, obviously month and sale, but the data should value should come into the sales, the column name should go into the column called month, and rest these two should remain the same. So a very simple concept called as cross table, and I'm going to take a guide. So in the cross table I'm going to add first the column name. So these columns name has to be given a name. So I am going to give it a column name called as month, and the data or the value should come as, let's say, sales. And what does the qualifier field means? How many columns do you want to basically skip? So this is first column, this is second column. I want to skip these two columns and I want to add after the two columns whatever columns are there into the month, and whatever data relevant to that should go into sales. So I am going to add it over here too. That's it. Now when I reload this data, I'm going to add a exit script, and as you can see the line loaded is 10, okay, from 6 to 14, and but the line converted is 60 because I have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 into 10, that means 6 months data multiply by 10 rows, which will give me 60 rows. So this is what the data will look like. So now I have salesman, I have the year, I have a column called month, and obviously I do have a column called sales. And now I can play around with the data saying that tell me about February, about Darshan, and I will have a bifurcation in a very good tabular format. This is what the cross table actually does, and this is a very important concept when you are going to do your data model.